What if learning character creation wasn't overwhelming, but exciting? What if you could go from beginner to making a stunning game-ready characters using only Blender? Introducing Rise of the Character Artist Blender FlipBox, a curated collection of my best-selling tutorials designed to unlock your inner character artist. From your very first sculpt to warriors, stylized heroines, demons and assassins. This FlipBox takes you to the full pipeline. Sculpting, modeling, retopology, UV mapping, texturing, rigging, posing and presentation. All in real time, all in Blender. I'm Niko. With 15 years in the game industry, I've created countless characters, and now I will help you bring yours to life. Eventually. And here is the best part. For you. Not for me, for you. You'll get everything for the fraction of the original price. And every purchase helps support SpecialEffect, a charity bringing fun and inclusion to physically disabled people to the power of gaming. Rise of the Character Artist Blender FlipBox, available now only on FlippedNormals.com.